Bonjour, je m'appelle Carla Mitrani et je fais des poupées à crochet. Et voilà, that's all I can say in French. I am very sorry. As I said, my name is Carla Mitrani. I live in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and I am the crochet doll designer behind Amour Crochet. You can follow me on Instagram and you can find my patterns in my Etsy store. I am also the author of Crochet Iconic Women, which Edition de Saxe has published in French. My book is a tribute to 15 extraordinary women that have changed our world or that are currently making our future better. You will find tributes to ladies like Queen Elizabeth II, Greta Thunberg, Jane Goodall, Marie Curie, Jane Austen, Malala, Cleopatra, and many, many more. I think my book is a good chance to speak to our children about the lives of these women, how they faced so many difficulties, and yet they never gave up in the pursuit of their dreams. I am also very happy to be participating with other designers in Edition de Saxe's new book, Poupées et Amigurumis de Noël. I have presented a design. It's a little doll called Alba, and she is wearing a Christmas tree costume. You will see that she has a removable cape, which represents the Christmas tree, and a little yellow crown that represents the Christmas star. I hope you really like Alba, you crocheted her, and you use her to decorate your house this Christmas. Merci à tous. Bisous.